Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachael here. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Rachael. So guys, today we are going to unbox a product together. Yeah, we'll be unboxing a product together. If you guys remember, I shared how I was taking care of my acne with you guys. Yeah, on that video, and I also shared a little bit information with you and the product I was using at that time, which is that I think that video is a month ago. Yeah, so I was using the Matiden Aden. So I already purchased this product, but I didn't want to use two products at the same time. I wanted to finish one first before jumping into the other one. And yeah, this product is very well recognized, so I said okay, I'm gonna give it a try and see how it really works. And when I was doing the research and review, I saw this product on Amazon. I wanted to purchase it on Amazon, but I don't know, after seeing some certain type of review, I said okay, instead I'm going to buy it from the pharmacy. So I highly recommend, before purchasing this product, you should do your review and know the type of seller or the place you will purchasing this product from. Okay, I will leave the review here so you guys can understand a little bit why I said I highly recommend you purchase it from pharmacy. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into this video.
So guys, let's unbox this together and see what is inside. So this is what I got after I unboxed it, and this is the lactic acid 5%. I also got few shampoos from this pharmacy, which is Amazon, and this is the moisturizing cream. The hyaluronic acid 2%, and this is the moisturizing cream. So I tried this cream the next morning after I unboxed my package, and this cream wasn't heavier at all on my skin, and I really loved it and how it made my skin feel. My skin was very soft and it didn't irritate my skin either. This is the lactic acid 5%. This lactic acid, you can apply it on your face only in the evening. You can't use it in the morning, and you can dilute it with another treatment to reduce the strength until your skin get used to it. Okay, and if you are very sensitive, I will advise you do a test on your hand before applying it direct to your skin. And when applying, you need very little amount. You don't want to pack it into your face. You want to use very little because a little goes a long way. And I haven't tried this yet, the lactic acid product, to see how it works on my skin, but I will update you guys more about this to see how it is working and how it feels on my skin, if my skin loves it, and if it worth purchasing this product. And yeah, so guys, let's move to the next one. This is the niacinamide, the 10%. But if you are very sensitive, I will advise you to start with the 5% instead. Okay, this one is very good. A lot of people talk good about this product, and that it does help to blemish their dark spot, acne, and so on and so forth. I was very desperate to try this product because of my little dark spot I have under my face. Okay, and this is the caffeine. You can add this to under your eyes, and you can only use this under your eyes beside if you have dark line under your eyes. and you want to use very small amount, you can use it in the morning and in the evening. So this is the hyaluronic acid. I have tried it. It is really nice on your skin. It is light, it's not heavy at all. It didn't irritate my sensitive skin, and I do like it. And you can apply it in the morning and in the evening. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you do enjoy it, and this is the review I can give you now concerning the ordinary. I will be updating you more in the future on how it goes on my skin. Thank you so much and see you. Bye.